Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to do the Lord's work by subscribing, liking and also sharing this video. So Yanda Woods, who became the first Mzansi teenager to drive a Porsche to her high school last year at the tender age of 17, has managed to bag herself an endorsement deal with designer Rapeleng Modutle. They shot a campaign featuring the now 18 years old and legally Yanda. So here's the video. Without wasting your time, let me quickly insert this here. Subscribe if you have not done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.